Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something incredibly simple, something most of us do every single day without even thinking about it. We're talking about walking. It seems so basic, right? Just putting one foot in front of the other. But this seemingly ordinary activity is actually one of the most powerful tools you have for improving your health and well-being. It's often overlooked in favor of more intense workouts, but its benefits are truly significant, touching almost every part of your physical and mental health. In this video, we're going to uncover 10 obvious, yet often underestimated advantages of incorporating more walking into your daily life. Whether you're looking to boost your fitness, manage your weight, lift your spirits, or just feel better overall, walking has something amazing to offer you. Let's get started and explore why this simple act is anything but ordinary. First up, let's talk about your heart. Walking is an absolutely fantastic form of cardiovascular exercise. It gets your blood pumping and your heart working, but without putting excessive strain on your system, making it accessible for almost everyone. Regular walking helps to strengthen your heart muscle over time. This means your heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. It also plays a key role in lowering your blood pressure and reducing levels of bad cholesterol. Consistently walking significantly lowers your risk of developing serious conditions like heart disease and stroke, keeping your most vital organ healthy and strong for years to come. Now, for many, weight is a key concern, and walking is a powerful ally in managing it. While it might not feel as intense as running or lifting weights, walking burns calories effectively, especially when done consistently and for reasonable durations. Incorporating regular walks into your routine can make a real difference in your weight journey. When combined with a healthy, balanced diet, walking contributes significantly to achieving weight loss goals or simply maintaining a healthy weight. It's a sustainable way to increase your daily energy expenditure without feeling overwhelmed, making it easier to stick with long term. Feeling a bit down or stressed? Lace up your shoes and go for a walk. Walking is a natural and incredibly effective mood booster. It's amazing how a change of scenery and some gentle movement can shift your perspective. When you walk, your body releases endorphins, often called feel-good chemicals. These natural mood elevators can help alleviate symptoms of stress, anxiety, and even depression. Taking a walk provides a break from whatever is causing you stress, allowing you to clear your head and return feeling more centered and calm. Walking isn't just about cardio, it's also a weight-bearing exercise. This means you're working against gravity, which is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. This is particularly important as we age. Regular walking helps to increase bone density, playing a vital role in preventing osteoporosis, a condition that makes bones brittle and fragile. It also strengthens the muscles in your legs, core, and even your arms if you swing them naturally. Stronger muscles and bones also contribute to improved balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls. It might seem counterintuitive, but moving your body can actually give you more energy. When you're feeling sluggish, the last thing you might want to do is exercise, but a brisk walk can be the perfect pick-me-up. Walking improves circulation throughout your body. This means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your cells, which helps them function more efficiently. The result? Increased alertness, reduced fatigue, and a noticeable boost in your overall energy levels throughout the day. It's a much healthier way to feel more awake than reaching for another cup of coffee. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Regular physical activity like walking can significantly enhance your sleep quality. It helps your body wind down and prepare for rest. Walking helps to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. By expending energy during the day, you help your body understand that it's time to rest at night. Just be mindful not to do intense walking right before bed, as that might have the opposite effect. A gentle evening stroll, however, can be wonderfully relaxing. Your brain loves it when you walk. Walking is incredibly beneficial for brain health and cognitive function. It's not just your body that gets a workout. Your mind does too. Walking improves blood flow to the brain, ensuring it gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to perform optimally. This enhanced circulation can help improve memory, boost focus and concentration, and even reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you get older. Taking a walk can be a great way to clear your head and think more clearly. This is a big one. Regular walking is a powerful tool in preventing and managing a wide range of chronic diseases. It's one of the simplest prescriptions for a healthier future. Walking helps regulate blood sugar levels, significantly lowering the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It's also been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and can help manage conditions like arthritis by keeping joints mobile and strengthening surrounding muscles. By improving overall health markers, walking builds resilience against many common long-term illnesses. One of the absolute best things about walking is how incredibly accessible and convenient it is. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or special skills to start. All you really need is a comfortable pair of shoes. You can walk almost anywhere, around your neighborhood, in a park, on a treadmill, or even just around your house. It easily fits into a busy schedule. You can walk to work, during your lunch break, or in the evening. Its simplicity means there are very few barriers to getting started and staying consistent. Walking doesn't have to be a solitary activity. It can be a wonderful opportunity to connect with others and enjoy your surroundings. It's a chance to be social and make fitness fun. Invite a friend, family member, or neighbor to join you for a walk. It's a great way to catch up while getting exercise. Walking with a pet is also a fantastic motivator and bonding experience. Plus, walking outdoors allows you to enjoy nature, explore new places, and simply appreciate the world around you, making it a truly enjoyable part of your day. So there you have it, 10 powerful yet incredibly obvious benefits of walking. We've seen how this simple act can dramatically improve your cardiovascular health, aid in weight management, boost your mood, strengthen your bones and muscles, increase your energy, enhance your sleep, sharpen your mind, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Walking is the definition of low-hanging fruit when it comes to improving your health. It's simple, it's accessible to almost everyone regardless of age or fitness level, and its benefits are profound and far-reaching. It doesn't require complex routines or expensive gear, just the willingness to move your body. We hope this has inspired you to incorporate more walking into your daily life. Start small if you need to. A 10-minute walk around the block is better than no walk at all. Gradually increase your time and distance as you feel comfortable. Your body and mind will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite benefit of walking is, or share your own tips for getting more steps in each day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthier, happier life, and share this video with anyone you think could benefit from discovering the amazing power of walking. Thanks for watching, and happy walking.